is by and large sensitive. It will detonate, giving no significant opportunity to prepare for it. The thing is, it very well might be tomorrow, or it might happen during this transmission. It would gleam like a second sun. The James Webb Telescope has recently detected an unexpected 250% increase in the brightness of Betelgeuse, the red star located at the shoulder of the Orion constellation. This unusual behavior has sparked excitement for a fascinating showcase. Some suggest the surge in brightness could indicate Betelgeuse is preparing to go supernova. However, the exact timing remains uncertain. Experts estimate it could happen in a few years or even sooner. Join us as we explore the depths of space and unravel the mysteries surrounding this magnificent giant. Betelgeuse has the potential to reshape how we understand the universe. Despite its unusual name, you've likely admired its beauty, a splendid bronze shimmer glowing brightly at the shoulder of Orion. Betelgeuse's enormity is astonishing. If placed at the center of our solar system, its outer surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. This giant star, easily visible, continues to captivate us. Unlike most stars, Betelgeuse changes noticeably over time due to its proximity and status as a semi-regular variable star. Its brightness varies predictably, approaching an eventual spectacular collapse into a supernova. Recently, Betelgeuse has become even more remarkable due to significant changes in brightness. These fluctuations include a massive surge on May 20, 2023, when scientists observed a staggering 142% increase in brightness, later revised to 150%. An astrophysicist from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, Dupree, noted that Betelgeuse now ranks as the 7th brightest star in the night sky, climbing 3 spots from its usual 10th position. From the southern hemisphere, Betelgeuse shines brightly in the night sky, easily observable at the shoulder of Orion. Dr. Sarah Webb, an astrophysicist from Swinburne University of Technology in Australia, highlights Betelgeuse's importance. It provides a rare opportunity to study the final stages of a massive star's life, offering valuable insights into red supergiants before they explode as supernovae. When Betelgeuse eventually detonates, it could shine extraordinarily bright for about 7 days, potentially casting shadows at night. This prospect has both amateur stargazers and professional astronomers eagerly anticipating the event. Heidi Morris, a researcher at Los Alamos National Laboratory and president of the PhD Astronomers and Cosmology Club, noted the enduring fascination with Betelgeuse's brightness variations, a phenomenon observed for centuries across different cultures. Currently, Betelgeuse's brightness cycle lasts approximately 130 days, significantly shorter than its typical 400-day cycle. These rapid changes present astronomers with a unique chance to study this stellar phenomenon thoroughly, shedding light on the final stages of a star's life. Betelgeuse's unusual behavior began in 2019, when it ejected a large portion of its outer atmosphere. These fluctuations in brightness are unprecedented, raising questions about whether it will soon explode into a supernova. According to a paper by Dupree and other experts from Harvard and UC Berkeley, it will take another 5 to 10 years before Betelgeuse returns to its normal 400-day brightness cycle. Since the Great Dimming event, Betelgeuse has displayed erratic behavior in its brightness and pulsation speed. Despite its unpredictability, Betelgeuse remains a massive red supergiant in its final stages of rapid evolution. As it depletes its fuel, its core will collapse under immense mass, resulting in a supernova that could outshine entire galaxies. The timing of this event, however, is uncertain. Dr. Pierre, a professor of astronomy at the University of Portsmouth, emphasizes the difficulty in predicting supernova events due to limited historical data and the complexity of stellar evolution. Currently, Betelgeuse is undergoing fusion processes, creating elements like helium, carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron. As a red giant, it fuses helium into carbon in its core, a process that takes thousands of years. Eventually, it will progress to fuse heavier elements until it can no longer sustain fusion reactions. This will lead to gravitational collapse, potentially forming a black hole or neutron star. While some speculate about Betelgeuse's imminent explosion, historical records suggest it has been gradually reddening in recent years, implying it may take significant time before it goes supernova. NASA estimates that Betelgeuse is unlikely to explode for another 100,000 years, providing reassurance that its dramatic end won't occur within our lifetimes. Despite this uncertainty, Betelgeuse's behavior continues to captivate researchers. Advances in our understanding of stellar evolution are ongoing. Dr. Sarah Webb reminds us to remain open to possibilities, even as we recognize the unlikely chance of witnessing Betelgeuse's explosion in our lifetimes. Our observations of Betelgeuse are, essentially, glimpses into the past. The light we see from the star is over 600 years old. Hypothetically, Betelgeuse could have already exploded, and we wouldn't yet know about it. While this possibility exists, it is far from certain. History has shown us that astronomical predictions can be appended. For example, prior to 1987, astronomers believed only red supergiants could undergo supernovae. However, that year, a massive blue star in another galaxy exploded, surprising the scientific community. There is still much to learn, and surprises may lie ahead. Studying Betelgeuse and other massive stars allows us to expand our understanding of cosmic phenomena. Even without an imminent explosion, Betelgeuse's current behavior is captivating. Its fluctuations between dimming and brightening reveal intriguing physics. The fact that stars pulsate on human timescales is remarkable. While Betelgeuse is currently far brighter than expected based on its usual 400-day cycle, astronomers hope it will eventually return to this pattern. However, recent observations suggest Betelgeuse may be in a late stage or nearing the end of its carbon-burning core cycle. This phase involves the conversion of carbon into heavier elements like oxygen and magnesium. If this is indeed the case, scientists predict a core collapse leading to a massive explosion within a few hundred years. However, the exact timeline of Betelgeuse's evolution remains difficult to determine. The potential to witness Betelgeuse's supernova remains uncertain, as the carbon-burning phase can last up to 1,000 years. For now, the possibility of Betelgeuse transforming into a supernova remains an exciting prospect. If it happens, it would be a rare event, visible even during the day for several days. Until then, Betelgeuse's behavior continues to offer astronomers valuable insights into the lives and deaths of massive stars. The underlying indications of the cosmic explosion's appearance will be unpretentious yet clear, with neutrinos clearing across Earth as high-energy photons escape from the extending haze of heavenly debris. Betelgeuse will logically grow brighter in the night sky, conceivably reaching peak brilliance 10,000 to 100,000 times its normal brightness within only a few weeks. This scene will astound anyone fortunate enough to witness it, marking a pivotal moment in cosmic history. The remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion could be as bright as a quarter or half of a full moon, condensed into a single point of light. Remarkably, this brightness would be visible during daylight, creating dramatic shadows at night. Predictions suggest it could be 15 to 20 times brighter than Venus, currently the second brightest object in the night sky. The spectacle of Betelgeuse's explosion would persist in our view for around 100 days, captivating space enthusiasts and offering a unique opportunity to observe the aftermath up close. Fortunately, Betelgeuse's supernova wouldn't pose any risk to humanity, as it is still extremely far away. Optics and telescopes would allow us to observe the event for an extended period without harm. However, such a dramatic event wouldn't go unnoticed. Supernovae were often interpreted as ominous signs, and Betelgeuse's destruction could spark intriguing reactions worldwide. Astronomers believe it might reignite widespread interest in astronomy, awakening people from their ignorance on a global scale. Betelgeuse isn't the only red supergiant in our galaxy. Others like Eta Carinae could explode before it does. In fact, our Milky Way should witness a supernova approximately once every 50 years, yet we haven't seen one in the past 400 years. Still, we've observed remnants of past explosions, indicating that we are overdue for a major celestial event. It's only a matter of time before the next star puts on a grand show for the universe to witness. Betelgeuse's history is rich with significant events, including the dramatic dimming in the fall of 2019. This sudden decrease in brightness puzzled astronomers and sparked speculation about its potential explosion. Although Betelgeuse's brightness returned to normal by April 2020, the reason for its dimming remained a mystery until further observations shed light on the phenomenon. Skywatchers can easily spot Betelgeuse from their porches, providing valuable observations to scientists seeking a deeper understanding of the star and its dramatic changes. Researchers rely on observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope. The interest surrounding Betelgeuse's dimming and potential explosion has captured the imagination of many, serving as a constant source of inspiration for both amateur stargazers and professional scientists alike. The star's unpredictability, particularly its erratic brightness variations and mysterious dimming episodes, has made it an exceptional subject of study. Observing these changes not only offers insights into the nature of red supergiants but also provides valuable information about stellar life cycles, the processes that lead to supernova explosions, and the dynamics of massive stars nearing the end of their existence. Betelgeuse's recent surge in brightness in 2023 has reignited global interest in this astronomical giant. The star's unusual behavior raises fascinating questions about the timing and nature of its inevitable supernova event. Some astronomers are hopeful that Betelgeuse's brightening is a sign that the star is nearing the end of its life, while others caution that it might simply be undergoing an unusual yet normal phase of evolution. These changes in brightness offer an exciting opportunity to observe stellar behavior in real time, allowing astronomers to test theories about the evolution of massive stars and their eventual demise. Despite the uncertainty surrounding the specific cause of Betelgeuse's recent activity, the star's history continues to provide clues. As mentioned earlier, Betelgeuse has experienced significant fluctuations in brightness over the past few centuries. Its periodic variations are believed to be part of the normal life cycle of a red supergiant. However, the sheer scale of the current brightness surge has triggered a wave of excitement among the scientific community, prompting further investigations into whether these changes are precursors to a supernova or merely the star's natural behavior. As research continues, one thing is clear: Betelgeuse remains a remarkable subject of scientific study. While its inevitable explosion remains a distant possibility, ongoing monitoring of the stellar behemoth is expected to yield invaluable insights. By studying the behavior of stars like Betelgeuse, astronomers can refine models of stellar evolution, offering glimpses into the life cycles of stars and the cosmic processes that shape our universe. Meanwhile, skywatchers will continue to marvel at the bright, fluctuating glow of Betelgeuse. Whether it is dimming or brightening, the star's erratic nature ensures it remains a captivating focus for both amateur and professional astronomers. As we continue to observe its evolution, the potential for a spectacular supernova event adds a layer of cosmic drama to an already extraordinary celestial display. Ultimately, Betelgeuse's inevitable fate will profoundly impact our understanding of the universe. While we may not witness the star's final explosion in our lifetimes, the knowledge gained from studying Betelgeuse and other massive stars will shape our understanding of the cosmos for generations to come. For now, astronomers and stargazers alike remain eagerly tuned to the skies, awaiting the next chapter in the life of this enigmatic red supergiant. As we continue to observe Betelgeuse's behavior, its unpredictability remains both fascinating and perplexing for scientists. While many red supergiants like Betelgeuse exhibit fluctuations in brightness as part of their natural life cycle, recent events surrounding the star have sparked curiosity about the underlying mechanisms at play. In particular, its rapid and dramatic changes in luminosity have led to debates about whether these phenomena are merely part of the star's standard cycle or if they could indeed signal an imminent end to its life. The current surge in brightness is not the first time Betelgeuse has drawn attention due to its unexpected changes. In 2019, the star experienced a sharp and mysterious dimming that baffled researchers, leading some to speculate about the star's impending death. After recovering in brightness, it resumed its erratic pattern of fluctuations, leaving scientists to wonder whether these changes are part of a strange phase or indicative of a significant transformation. Some astronomers have even suggested that Betelgeuse's peculiar behavior might result from a complex internal process, potentially involving a massive ejection of material from its outer layers. For now, the primary focus of scientific investigation remains on understanding the mechanisms behind Betelgeuse's sudden increase in brightness and its irregular dimming episodes. These observations are invaluable in refining models of stellar evolution, helping astronomers understand the processes that lead to a star's death and the eventual formation of a supernova. Such insights could offer a deeper understanding of the life cycles of massive stars and the fate of other stellar giants in our galaxy. As the excitement around Betelgeuse continues to grow, it is clear that this star is not only captivating the scientific community but also inspiring the public's curiosity about the universe. The possibility of witnessing a supernova event, whether in our lifetimes or far in the future, ensures that Betelgeuse will remain a focal point for years to come, offering both scientific insight and celestial spectacle.